In React Native Playground, after editing any file, it gets history entries called slices. Every time you save changes on a file, it adds new slices, and by default application settings do not define any limits to file history. It will add slices as many times as you save the file, so history will grow, and it might become really big to load when you open a file. So you may want to set up history limit. How to see history? You can go to file tree and swipe it, and here is an icon with which looks like a clock and a counterclockwise arrow. So you tap on it and it shows you a model with file history. Currently this file wasn't edited, so it doesn't have history. I can create history object by tapping on start history, or it will be created automatically once I change it and saved file at least once. So let's go to test.js and do something here like this. Now I can save changes and I will have two history slices. The original one, which has version 0.0.0 and our latest update 0.0.1. Each history slice could be viewed. If you tap on eye icon, you can see what content it had in this version, like this. Then you can save history slice as a separate file. For example, I can save it test original, done, save, close. And now I have original file and updated test file. Original file does not have file history. So once I saved this slice, it is a new file with new history. It doesn't have history. So once I'll go and change it, it will have new history. So if I'll set up file history limit, for example, to let's make it 5, and go to my test subject, and I'll add more changes like this. Yes, I'll delete more, don't worry, like this, and even more. Let's see how looks our history now. So as you can see, older slices will be removed, which are beyond the limit. It will keep our slices count to the limit, to the 5. I currently set limit to 5 slices. So if you think that some of slices are important and they shouldn't be deleted, you can lock them with a lock icon like this. For example, I want to lock version 3 and version 5, and close. And once I do some changes to continue with my history like this, oh, it should be 5, right? Let's go and see how our history looks. Okay, so now our locked slices are outside of the limit. They are not being counted, and limit will check only unlocked slices, and we now have 2 locked slices and 2 and 5 slices which are not locked and they are inside of the limit. Also, any slices which are not locked could be removed, except of the last one. The current version cannot be removed, but all of these, like so. And also current version, current slice could be promoted with bump major version, bump minor version, and bump build number. For example, I want to signify current version of the file with next build number, so I tap on build and it increases. Also, if changes were significant, I can bump minor version or major version.